Today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Employee Gets Fired from Home Depot, Ends Badly.
Police respond to a Home Depot after an employee is identified using her cashier ID to facilitate the theft of over $5,700 worth of merchandise over a 6-month period.
How long has this been going on?
At least in September.
Okay.
We didn't know until.
So we have a thing where you can, like, let's say you scan something twice, you can remove one thing.
Right.
That's how she got caught.
Okay.
Because she scanned something twice, removed it, same customer every single time. And then at that point she passed 2 plants. But since then she's passed $5,700 worth of stuff since September.
Okay.
To the same customer. She claims she doesn't know that customer. She claims that she agrees that it happened because I did my homework, but she doesn't remember any of it.
Okay.
So the interesting thing is the other associate that she passed merchandise to works for that customer.
Okay.
Part-time. So, but she claims she didn't know that either.
She was telling me that whoever this customer is, corporate's going to be.
We'll go after her as well. Yeah.
All right.
She actually owns an animal hospital fairly close to here. So I'm assuming that's where all the flooring is.
Huge.
Is an animal hospital. But
15, 14.
So that's what she's primarily been taking is
it's
flooring.
flooring, paint, and then it's the most recent one, March 9th, was a DeWalt table saw and some tile. So she's obviously renovating something. I don't know if it's I didn't go to the clinic. I don't know if it's a clinic or a house, or I have no idea. But,
Well, it's not a very expensive renovation then.
yeah, no, when all your materials are free.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to go and let her know that we're terminating her.
Okay.
And then you guys can go on.
Okay, real quick, I can also take this since you're just helping out today.
I didn't know if I was talking to you.
No, it's all good. We're all the same, and you are the
District Loss Prevention.
okay.
She also apparently works for something with the school board part-time. So she may...
She's making
wants to
great
speak to you
choices.
guys, but
Hopefully not teacher that's teaching my kids.
maybe, hopefully not. She doesn't know you're about to walk.
Hey there, hi. Lena, right?
Yes.
Hey, I'm Officer Branch of the Palm Bay Police Department. You know I'm talking to you?
Excuse me?
Do you know why I'm speaking with you today?
No.
Okay, so I know that you were just terminated from Home Depot. They ended up calling us in regard to what has been going on.
Okay.
Okay. And basically, I would just like to ask you if you'd like to speak with us.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, they would like to pursue charges on this. So I'm just going to read you your Miranda warning.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to get more comfortable and set your stuff down, you absolutely can. But I'll just read you your Miranda warning, and then we can go from there. Okay.
You can read them.
All right. So
Just that I have my diabetic monitor on my phone, and
totally understand that. I'm not going to inhibit anything.
and I just need.
you-
What time is it? Because my.
Right now it's about 12:24.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Till 1. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, you just let me know.
Okay.
Do you have automatic pump or anything for your insulin?
No, it's in my bag.
Okay. All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have one present with you while you are being questioned.
Okay.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish one. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, are you willing to speak with us?
Yeah.
Okay. So, in regard to this, I mean, is reportedly about $5,700.
That's what they're saying.
Okay. Well, tell me your side.
I can't recall their name. He named some person, random person that I have no knowledge of, and he says that it was ongoing and it was only that particular customer, never anyone else.
Okay. Before I keep asking you some questions, do you mind getting your driver's license out and I can hold your phone for you? As far as, you know, the things that you're saying you don't call, did they explain to you the method that you were using to attain certain things?
But they're only showing me one customer. I mean, they're pertaining to one particular person that I've been supposedly be doing this with. I have no recollection of who they are.
Okay. What was the method that they were saying that you were using?
Scanning 3 items and not the rest. Letting things walk out the door. I don't.
She got recollection, man. She full of shit, man. Come on, man. We can't. Come on. I know she a little older now. But she wise, man. I could tell. You know what I'm saying? Typically in age, you get a little wiser. You know, a young buck like myself, you know, I'm still a knucklehead at times. You know what I mean? I'm still wild, you know? But somebody older, seasoned, you know, you get wiser. She know exactly what's going on, you know? But instead of just saying, I don't remember or whatever, because nobody ain't buying that, just say you rather just wait for your lawyer, you know, and say nothing. Because that whole, I have no recollection. Of course, they got to prove it, but Home Depot can prove it. There's cameras all over the place. You know what I'm saying? So you're cooked. Luckily for her, crimes like this don't get no punishment. So she gonna be good. You know what I mean? Maybe have to pay $500 fine, or maybe have to pay back whatever it is that she actually stole, which I think they're saying what, 5,000 or something like that. That's a bit much. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That's a lot. But you know, everything else, you know, she ain't gonna do no jail time or nothing like that, you know. So just say just say nothing.
That practice with anybody, so
You don't have that what?
practice with anybody else. Supposedly, out of all the thousands of scans that I've done,
Right.
it's just this one particular person,
Okay.
and I don't recollect that person.
When you say you don't recollect that person, this one person has been involved
Supposedly
multiple times.
on this. Supposedly that I've let go, not rung up, or you know, let things go by.
Okay. And if you don't know this person, but this person has come back multiple times, could you recognize this person?
If they would let me know who the person is, yeah.
Okay. Do you know or remember the items that you
According to him, he said flooring, baseboards, the wall, I think saw, he said.
Well, I'm not necessarily basing it just on what they're saying. I want you to tell me your side, because of course we got called here because they called us. And you know what they are reporting is, you know, quite the theft. I mean, that's a felony
That's
level
what they're
theft.
saying,
So
yes.
how long have you been employed with Home Depot?
5 years.
5 years? Have you been in trouble for anything like this before?
No, I've worked for a doctor for 15 years. And he retired recently, back in 2019.
You worked for who again?
A doctor. I was working for a doctor. He was an eye surgeon. He retired and I came to work here.
So 5 years. How long have you lived in Palm Bay?
About 20.
Do you have any friends that are currently doing a remodeling?
No,
Do you
and my
have-
house doesn't need, well, my house needs remodeling, but I haven't started any procedure on that yet.
Okay. So why do you believe that they are saying that you're doing this?
I have no idea.
If I were to give you a name of someone who supposedly has all of these items, would you tell me if...
I know them? Sure.
What's the name of the person?
No, I don't know it, Debbie Butler. That's the name he gave me in there as well. I don't know. Never.
She full of it, man.
I've ever met her. Don't know even what she looks like because he didn't show me any of the photos.
It just seems a little weird that they, would call us, they'd go through the process of...
That's fine. It's what they got to do. I mean, I'm not.
You just seem kind of like nonchalant about it. I would be very upset if I was in your position.
I'm not, because it's like, I only work here part-time, and, I've done the best. My attendance is spectacular. I'm always here, and they call me, I work, so.
Shit, my attendance would be good too if I was taking 5,000 off the top.
If this is the way they want to look at something, I mean, I can't help them. It's embarrassing that they have to go through this, because I work for the school board as well, and I tutor children, so I'm gonna have to just clear my name because they wanted me to come on board full-time, and I can't do that now with this, so I don't know what to say.
Yeah. Well, I don't want you to make up anything. I mean, if it's not true, it's not true. However, based on the things that we have, of course, like we have to take the next steps. So they would like to pursue charges, so you are going to be in custody for that. Do you have any further questions for her right now?
Not right now, I don't know.
Okay. Is there anyone at home that you need to call or coordinate a ride with your vehicle?
Well, I have a vehicle. I can meet you at the station, whichever way.
No, that's not how it's going to work this time. So this time you're coming with us.
Okay.
But that's why I'm asking if you can call anybody to come get your vehicle, or where's your insulin at?
I have my bag in there, so I have to go get my insulin at home.
Where is your bag?
In my locker.
In your locker? Okay. So you haven't cleared out your locker at all yet?
No, all I need is my bag. It's still in there.
All right.
And I left my apron there, so and I got my pens.
Let's walk to your locker and get your bag, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna stuff out of the locker.
It's right in here.
Yep.
Dang, the whole crew outside with it.
So I'm gonna
right alongside you.
I know you've been super respectful, but this is just our policy, okay? So I'm gonna cuff you, and it's gonna be in the front.
Really? You're gonna embarrass me in front of all of my...
I'm not gonna embarrass you.
Okay.
I'm just
So
doing,
you want to do it in the front?
I'm just doing. I have to do this, okay?
Thank you.
Like the front makes it any better. Still in cuffs. It's already. Man.
Kept them super loose, so you're not gonna
Thank you.
like that, okay?
Where's the other gentleman?
268, can you show one female in custody?
Make sure that my keys are held up on the bag.
Yep, they are.
Oh, okay. Just making sure, because I didn't know if I left them off on the side.
Did he say horse? Okay. Just put your It's not the most comfortable.
All our stuff up with you.
Okay. What's that?
I'll pick all the stuff up.
Thank you.
I'm gonna swear him in real quick.
All right.
All right, just raise your right hand for me. Swear you tell me the truth, all the truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You understand lying is
Statement
bad?
time.
The what?
Lying is bad.
Lying is bad.
Lying is bad.
I would agree. Lying is bad.
There you go.
The employee was charged with one felony count of grand theft between $5,000 and $10,000. The total validated loss to Home Depot from the alleged internal scheme over 6 months was $5,702.81. When arrested, the employee denied knowing anything about the theft and was booked into jail on a $2,500 bond.
Oh man, we don't get this. Dang. That's the thing with these body cam videos. We don't get to see the outcome very much, and except maybe the big channels. You know what I mean? They kind of wait until they get the whole story, but or the whole outcome or whatever. But still, very good video, man. Yeah. I mean, her excuse is, it's okay. If you're gonna go with that excuse, I would say it's better to not say anything. Just, you know, at all, and just get with your lawyer. But overall, I think the cops did pretty decent. So I'm definitely gonna give maybe 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. They did pretty good. I mean, did they have to cuff her right there? I mean, probably not. Whatever. She has been cooperative, but you know, at the end of the day, you committed a crime. So it's not them embarrassing you, it's you have decided to embarrass yourself. Like in the famous words of Vince McMahon, he says, for any of you wrestling fans and stuff like that, he said, when they did the Montreal screw job way back in the day, you know, he said, I didn't screw Brett. Brett screwed Brett, right? For the wrestling fans, y'all know what I'm talking about. Vince said, I didn't screw Brett. Brett screwed Brett. So, with that being said, these cops did not embarrass you. You embarrassed yourself. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.